This is your recording for the questions associated with your pre-assessment Part 2 for English 11, responding to the poem The Second Coming. Number 1, in the first line, what does gyre most likely mean? A revolution or a circuit, a full circle. B, a repetitive motion. Or C, a gear to a machine. Number 2, in line 2, what can you infer a falconer is? A, Captain Falcon's caretaker. B, someone who pretends to be a falcon. C, someone who takes care of a falcon. Or D, a type of predatory bird. Number 3, how does line 3 clarify the meaning of line 2? A, the center can't hold on any longer. B, it helps the reader to understand that the Messiah will take his return soon. C, the falcon has grown too distant from the falconer. D, there's an obvious loss of control between the leader and others. Number 4, which literary device is used in lines 2 and 3? A, alliteration. B, simile. C, metaphor. Or D, allusion. Number 5 says, the title of the poem is The Second Coming. Besides the allusion to another appearance of the Messiah, what else might the Second Coming refer to? Please answer in at least 5 sentences with at least one piece of textual evidence and citation.